This is a review of the Alaga two-way audio night vision cloud SD storage, and it comes with the Google Assistant with 32 gigabytes of a drive. And I'm going to be unboxing this and showing you guys what you get from this package. So without going further, let's go open this up and show you guys this indoor security camera. So here we have everything pulled out, and I do love the fact that this is a 360 camera, so it moves like, 360 degrees. And I love the fact that it comes with the brackets. It feels pretty good, and it's high quality. And right from here, when I put this down, right from here you get the screws right here and the hardware screws. So you could use this for indoors, or pretty much it depends. If you want, then you could also use this for outdoors as well too. But I do love the fact that this camera, it is a night vision. So at night, if you put this, then it'll be pretty much night vision. It comes with this USB adapter pretty much that you pretty much have to connect it to right here. So I do love the fact that there's not a ton of wiring where you have to pretty much like connect a lot of stuff. So I love about how it's not like compared to other indoor cameras, it doesn't have like all that. The instruction manual guide that comes right here. So yeah, we're gonna pretty much connect all this together and see how it works and see how the quality of this Alaga Wi-Fi security indoor camera, how good the quality is. So this is just a test fit to see. So I plugged into the outlet and it's on.
Waiting to connect.
And it's saying waiting to connect. So pretty much from there, all you have to do now is that, in the instruction manual, it should be a QR code. There should be a QR code where you pretty much scan it and then you download the app, and then it's pretty much going to connect. It's really a plug and play kit. So yeah,
waiting to connect.
Let's pretty much connect the QR code with that, download the app, and see how well the quality is. Okay, so we have everything connected now. You can see this is the night vision mode. So I do love the fact that it comes with it like a light. Okay, now that you see it turned off. And so in certain lighting, it turns on. So if you pretty much move the camera to somewhere where it's pretty much too dark, then it's going to pretty much turn on, and it's going to pretty much give that ambient lights. And from there, then it's going to give you the night vision mode, and then it's going to be, show you a crispy, a footage. And right from here, you can see that I have it plugged in. So let's say, for example, if I were to move this to pretty much like clockwise or 360 degrees, you can see pretty much right over here that you can see that it shows my face, and it pretty much, as I'm moving the camera, you can see that it's a very good indoor camera. You can see that the quality is super amazing. And let me see if I could get this on there. Yeah, you can see my face on there. It's really amazing quality. And I love the fact that this indoor camera, you could use it for pretty much for your indoor purposes if you have to take care of your pets or dogs, or pretty much animals, or pretty much you want to, or like babies or something like that. Then this is a very good indoor camera that would definitely come in hand, and I would definitely recommend this Alaga security indoor camera because of the fact that it works as it is intended. So very easy to set up. It wasn't too hard. It's pretty much scan the QR code, and from there then it just logs into you very easily on the app. And right from there, it's a very easy install and very easy to, it comes with the screws like I showed you guys. So you could mount it as if you wanted to, or you could just leave it standing. And I love the fact that there's not much wires onto it as well too. So, so if you're looking for an indoor camera, then this, Alaga security indoor system is probably one of the best cameras that you could get. And I would highly recommend this indoor security camera.